to my little friend. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stuff the Lawn Surgeon, and I'm actually doing some work. This is the edge I was talking about. I got it tilted. Let me see if I can tilt it back up. There we go. Like I said, it has this on there. I planning on getting one of them golden edges. Them things, I've been seeing them for years or whatever. There's a 3.75 edger. I got it. I know it's old, but it runs. And as y'all can see, I took the string off because I broke it. I got new string already on there. Where is it at? There we go. New string on, ready to go. I just needed new rivets, and so I had some long rivets. Now I got some medium rivets. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna get them on there. We'll see if this bad boy starts. Yes, sir. All right, here we go, people. It's pretty nice. This right here is where you adjust the tilt like that, and this right here you adjust the height. You got high, deep, or whatever. We're gonna see if this bad boy starts. Already. Yes sir, so like I said, I'm gonna tune this bad boy up, have it ready to go for the season. I'm gonna put a new spark plug on it, of course change the oil. The filter looks pretty good. I think the guy changed it before and I haven't used it, so I'll probably change the oil too, but I might as well do it. It's been sitting there for years. So anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes sir.